So if you are a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra user and you are facing a battery drain or lag issue after the One UI 6.1.1 update, so this video is for you as I will show you some of the tips and tricks that you can try out to fix those problems. First up, if you have not updated on the latest One UI 6.1.1 update, so you can do so by going into your settings and then selecting software update. So some of the people were facing a lag issue that you can solve by using this trick. For that, you will have to first of all power off your device. By selecting power off, you just have to power off your device and you will have to wait until your device is completely powered off. And once your device is completely powered off, you will have to long press your volume up and power button at once. You have to keep pressing until your device goes into the recovery mode. You do not have to leave the buttons until your device is in the recovery mode. And as you can see over here, now the device is in the recovery mode. From here you can navigate up or down using your volume buttons, and to select it you will have to just use your power button. Now from here you have to search for wipe cache partition, and after going to the wipe cache partition you will have to select it and then you have to select yes, and that's it. Now you just have to reboot your system now, and after clicking on reboot the system now, your device will automatically restart. You might have to wait for a while after the restart and it will optimize the apps and it will clear the cache. I am doing this trick on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, but the process will be same for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra as well. And as you can see over here, the phone is finally restarting. And if there is still a lag, you can try out another trick by going into settings, then home screen, then you have to swipe down and select about home, and then you have to select this icon over here, and from here you will have to search for the battery, and after selecting battery you will get to see these three options. The first is unrestricted, second is optimized, and the third one is restricted. If you will select restricted, your lag will be reduced but it will consume more battery life, and your battery life will be reduced. I am keeping it on optimized as I do not have any lag. And if your battery is really aged up and it is draining very fast, so you can switch this adaptive to the 60 Hz. By reducing your screen refresh rate, your battery will be saved. And that's all for today's video. These were some of the tips and tricks that you can try out to increase the battery life and fix the lag issue on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, do let me know in the comment section that are you facing any lag or heat up issues after the update or not. And that's all for today's video. If you are new on this channel, make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new updates.